Good morning, student. Today I am discussing the chapter number 4, that is linear inequation. It is the chapter number 4 and I already discussed lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 in the previous video, that is GST and banking. Now in this video I am discussing lesson number 4, that is linear equation in one variable. In your syllabus only one variable questions. So let us discuss. If x and y are two quantities, then both of these quantities will satisfy any one of the following four conditions. Means if two quantities are there, then both quantity will satisfy four conditions: greater than equal, less than, and less than and equal. Means one quantity greater than second quantity, one quantity greater and equal second quantity, one quantity less than second quantity, and one quantity less than and equal fourth quantity. If two quantities are there, then both quantity follow the four conditions. And what is the meaning of linear? Linear means if any variable contain only one power, then it is called the linear. An equation you already study in the previous classes. In equation, four conditions are there. Each of the four conditions given above is an inequation. Means ये four conditions satisfy करेगी या contain करेगी, then it will be the inequation. Example: x less than 7, x greater than equal 4, x less than and equal 4. But in your syllabus, linear equation in only one variable. In four condition, two variables are there. But in your syllabus, only one variable. Means if a, b, c are real numbers, then ax plus b greater equal c, ax plus b less than c, ax plus b greater than equal c, ax plus b less than equal c. So in all the four equations, only one variable x and a, b, c are the real number. So all four equations are the linear equation in one variable. Okay, understand? Now inequality sign: greater, less than, greater and equal, less than equal. Four signs are there. Inequality sign, we call all four sign inequality sign. Now we understand what is the replacement set. The set from which the value of one variable x is to be chosen is called the replacement set. The set from which the value of the variable x is to be chosen means ऐसा set जिसमें से x की वैल्यू को चूज किया जाता है, सिलेक्ट किया जाता है, is called the replacement set. Example: whole number, natural number, integers. Now solution set: it is the subset of the replacement set. Subset means उसका part whose element satisfy the given equation. जो उस एलिमेंट जो उसको satisfy करेगा is called the solution set. Example: let the given in equation x less than 4 means जो x की वैल्यू 4 से less है. Now the replacement set of this question is n. N means natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the solution set will be 1, 2 and 3 only. Why? Because the question is x is less than 4. So 4 से less only 3 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3. Second part, replacement set: suppose whole number start from 0, 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So the solution set will be 0, 1, 2 and 3 only, because the question is x is less than 4. तो 4 से लेस नंबर कौन कौन से होंगे? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Understand? Now some rules to solving linear inequation. First rule is: on transferring a positive term from one side of an inequation to its other side, sign becomes negative. मीन्स अगर किसी पॉजिटिव नंबर को हम ट्रांसफ़र कर दें दूसरी तरफ तो उसका साइन निगेटिव हो जाएगा. मीन्स 2x plus 3 greater than 7, then plus 3 transfer RHS, then plus sign will becomes negative sign minus 3. 2x plus 3 greater than 7, so 2x greater than 7 minus 3. Now second rule, on transferring a negative term from the one side of an inequation to its other side, the sign becomes positive. Means 2x minus 4 greater than 8, then 2x is greater than 8 plus 4, means जो minus 4 becomes positive plus 4, माइनस साइन पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, प्लस साइन निगेटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. नाउ थर्ड रूल, if each term of an inequation we multiplied or divided by the same negative number, the sign of inequality reverse. The very important rule, the third rule, that is very important. Why? Because this rule is only much difficult than other rule. You have to remember this rule. Suppose the question is x less than or equal 6, multiplied by minus 4x and 6 into minus 4. So the inequality becomes reverse, means less than or equal convert into the greater than or equal. Second question, minus x greater than or equal 5. Now divide by minus 1 both sides. So minus and minus cancel, and the greater than or equal sign reverse into less than or equal sign. So x less than or equal minus 5. Means when we multiply or divide by any negative number, then the inequality become reverse. Less than convert into greater than equal, or greater than equal convert into less than and equal. Okay. First rule, plus convert into minus. Second rule, minus convert into plus. And the third rule, the inequality become reverse when we multiply by or divide by negative sign, negative number. Okay. Now we solve exercise number 4th A. Question number 3rd. If x belongs to natural number, find the solution set. Okay, x belongs to natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3 and 4, so on. So question is 5x plus 3 less than and equal 2x plus 18. It is the inequation. So transfer 2x left hand side, so minus 2x, because plus sign, so convert into negative sign, and plus 3 transfer RHS right hand side, so plus 3 convert into minus 3. Now 5x minus 2x 3x, 18 minus 3 15. Now divided by 3 both side, so 15 upon 3 is equal 5. X less than and equal 5. Now the replacement set is n belongs to natural number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the solution set will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the value of x less than and equal 5. तो 5 से लेस कौन सी नंबर होंगी? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सेकेंड पार्ट, 3x minus 2 less than 19 minus 4x. This is the question. So first transfer minus 4x, that becomes plus 4x, and minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now 3 plus 4 7, 19 plus 2 21. Now divided by 7 both sides, so x is equal 21 upon 7. X less than 3. Now the replacement set 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the value of x less than 3. Less than 3 means only 1 and 2, because the replacement set is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the value of x less than 3 means only 1 and 2. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now fourth part, 7 minus 3x greater and equal minus 1 by 2. So first transfer 7, so it becomes minus 3x. Now take LCM 2. So minus 1 minus 14, minus 1 and minus 14 minus 15. Now divide it by minus 3 both sides. So x less than and equal minus 15 upon 2. or divided by minus 3. Now solve it. 3 5s are 15. So Ax less than equal 5 by 2. Ax less than equal 2 whole 1 by 2. Now the replacement set is natural number. So 2 whole 1 by 2 Ax, the value of X less than 2 whole 1 by 2 means 0 1 2, because the replacement set is whole number. Now the fifth part, Ax minus 3 by 2 less than 3 by 2 minus x. So transfer this plus x and minus 3 by 2 transfer plus 3 by 2. So 2x less than 3. So x less than 3 by 2. So x less than 1 whole 1 by 2 means the solution set becomes 0 and 1 only, because the replacement set is whole number. Whole number means W is equal 0 1 2 3 and so on. It is the question number 4, fourth part. Question number 4, fourth and fifth part. Understand? Means in this question the replacement set is whole number. Now question number 4, if the replacement set is the set of whole number, solve. Replacement set W is equal 0 1 2 3 and so on. Question is, the first part is x plus 7 less than or equal 11. So transfer 7 transfer, so minus 7. So x less than or equal 4. So the solution set becomes 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, because the replacement set is 0 1 2 3. Now second part, 3x minus 1 greater than 8. So minus 1 transfer plus 8 plus 1 9 divided by 3. So x greater than 3. So the solution set becomes 0 1 2, because x greater than 3. X greater than 3. So greater than 3, the answer becomes 4 5 6 and so on. Why? Because the question is the replacement set 0 1 2 3 and so on. तो value of x greater than 3, not less than 3. So 3 से greater कौन कौन सी नंबर होंगे? 4 5 6 and so on. Now the third part, 8 minus x greater than 5. तो minus x greater than 5 minus 8. तो minus x greater than 5 minus 8 minus 3. Now divided by minus 1. So x, now the inequality becomes reverse, greater than becomes less than, x less than 3. So less than 3 0 1 2 only. Replacement set is 0 1 2 3. The solution set 3 से number less than numbers 0 1 and 2. Okay. In the next video I will solve the next questions. Thank you.